Hello friends, welcome to Dptutorials.
Please subscribe to Dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications.
In this tutorial, let us learn how to do case-sensitive lookup in Excel. You know that Vlookup or index match functions simply return first matching result without considering the case of the text. So let us see how to look up based on case-sensitive match in Excel now. In cell F5, let us extract the value that is matching with the lowercase name as Durga. So I enter the formula in cell F5 as equals to sum product, open the bracket, type double negative marks, that is dash dash, open the bracket, type exact, open the bracket, F4, comma, and now select the range as A5 to A11, close the bracket for the exact function, and again close the bracket, comma, and now select the second array as B5 to B11, close the bracket for sum product. Okay, here the exact function produces the array with results in true and false, and we use the double negatives which converts this true false array into binary format, that is 1 0. And finally the sum product does the product of two arrays and their sum. So finally when you press enter, we get the answer of lowercase Durga as 287. That is exactly matching with the left side array. Okay, and now if we change the text in cell as Durga in uppercase, we get the answer as 123. Got it, friends? Remember friends, this formula only works with the numeric values, as sum product can't calculate with the text values. Okay, so friends, this is all about how to do case sensitive lookup in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to Dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.